Not everybody got to reap the benefits of what came about in that era. Like, I didn't. My older brothers had video games. You know what I mean? They weren't mine. That we had it in the house that we could. You know what I mean? We play together. We don't understand sharing, but that's also his shit. Like, I'm not. You know what I mean? But as I got older, to a point where they were like, okay, give you your own thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I started with GameCube, which, to be honest, I love that shit. Like,
started out with Sega Genesis.
I love that shit. Like, I love that shit. But as you grow, or for me, as I grew, different video games. You know what I mean? The more current video games, but still not the latest edition.
Yeah.
But I got to enjoy it at a point in time, so I you know what I mean? I personally, at the time, as I was growing up, I definitely felt like, damn, I wish I had the latest shit. But now I'm like, God, it wouldn't have done anything for me. It didn't stimulate me the way it did for everybody else. Like, and I could play the games, I like playing games, but only with people.
Yo,
and only for so long. And then I'm ready to do something else and be active, whatever the case is. Like,